Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Tuesday will decide fate of 215 candidates in the state. Counting to begin at 8 in the morning. Final results to be out by 11. Political experts say enthusiasm of first-time voters is the result in record-breaking voting. 21% voting recorded among age group of 18 to 30. Predictions to get over soon. Congress NCP camp says BJP MGP may get 16 to 17 seats. BJP MGP says Congress NCP alliance may get 13 seats. Bus driver, conductor and a schoolgirl die on the spot in a tragic accident at Usgaon. Collision between Indira Balrat bus and a truck. 5 students injured. Usgaonkars agitated. Swapnil Asnodkar guides NRB Goa Sports Academy to second straight win in Goa Professional League 2020. Dempo lose 2 in 2. Salgaonkar overcomes Sarvodaya by 3 wickets. And India arrived in Kathmandu on mission to win ticket to Australia 2015 Asian Cup. India will have to win AFC Challenge Cup to compete in Premier Asian Championship. Now the news in detail. The political future of 215 candidates would be decided on Tuesday. Poll counting will begin at 8 in the morning at Salgaonkar College of Law at Miramar and Kare College of Law and Damodar College at Madgaon. The results of all the 40 constituencies would be out within the first 3 hours.
Countdown to the results of the assembly election has begun. Counting will begin at 8 in the morning on Tuesday. The final results are expected to be out by 11 in the morning. The counting will proceed this way. The countings will be held at North Goa in Salgaonkar Law College, in South Goa Kare Law College and Damodar College. Counting in Salgaonkar College will be held in Hall number 10, in Kare College it will be held in Hall number 6 and in Damodar College it will be held in Hall number 4. There are 23 constituencies in North Goa and 17 constituencies in South Goa. Nauti says elaborate security and traffic arrangements are in place at Miramar and Madgaon counting centers.
सगळे काउंटिंगचे अरेंजमेंटा बरोबरूच थंय एलोबोरेट सेक्युरिटी अरेंजमेंट दोन्ही कडेन केल्ले आसात. कसलेच लॉ एंड ऑर्डराचे कसले प्रॉब्लेम जावचे न्ही हाची पूर्ण खबरदारी घेतलेली आसा आनी पोलीस थंय तैनात केल्ले आसा. ताजेच बरोबर ईव्हीएमाची सेक्युरिटीक लागूनय सेक्युरिटी पर्सनल थंय दवरलेले आसात. म्हणजे कशाच परिस्थितीन कसलेच लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम जावचे न्ही हाची पूर्ण खबरदारी इलेक्शन ऑफिसान घेतलेली आसा.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Kaukar.
Political experts say enthusiasm of the first-time voters and consciousness of the youth resulted in record-breaking poll this assembly election. According to primary information available with the State Election Office, the voting percentage of voters in the age group from 18 to 30 years is nearing 21% in the total of 82%.
Voting awareness among the youth seems to have paid off. Around 21% of youth have exercised their franchise for the assembly elections. Here is the breakup of the voting percentage in different age groups in both the districts. Between 18 to 19 years, in North Goa it is recorded as 2.94%, in South 3.17%. Within the age group of 20 to 30 years, in North Goa 17.43%, in South Goa 18.14%, in 30 to 60 age group 57.15%, and in South Goa 57.81%, and in 60 plus age group in North Goa it is 15.36% and in South Goa it is 16.33%. The gender breakup of the voters is as follows. In male, 4,02,450. In female, 4,35,487. Total is 8,37,987. Social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter, and with a healthy mass voter awareness in all colleges, could have played a role for the youth's turnout to vote on the polling day. Now, the Tuesday will reply whether this youth has voted for a change at the state or at the constituency level. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Kaukar.
Tuesday, the day of counting, will reveal the fate of candidates. Prudent media tried to know the predictions on poll results from MLAs of different parties on the eve of the counting day. While the Congress can by and large settle on 16 to 17 seats for BJP-MGP coalition, BJP and MGP MLAs are not ready to give more than 13 seats to the Congress-NCP alliance.
Here is a look at the predictions by the MLAs. Senior Rane refused to comment and Digambar Kamath predicted a clear majority for Congress. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar predicted the count of other parties but refused to mention the count for BJP-MGP. Congress party MLAs feel that they will win with a clear majority and form the government. However, they predict the seats between 20 to 25, leaving scope for BJP with just 15 to 17 seats. Have a look. We could contact few BJP MLAs. They have predicted a tally for BJP-MGP alliance between 20 to 23, leaving 12 to 13 seats for Congress-NCP coalition. Have a look at predictions from BJP's camp. We also spoke to MGP leader Sudin Daulikar. He says BJP-MGP alliance will form the next government. NCP MLAs, however, denied to comment on the BJP-MGP alliance and predicted that Congress-NCP will form the next government with majority seats. Goa Vikas Party Supremo Miki Pacheco more or less agrees with the figures expressed from the BJP's camp. Miki says BJP-MGP coalition will form the government with other parties' support. Miki predicts Congress-NCP combined will have just 13 seats and GVP will have 9 MLAs in the state assembly. These are the predictions by the sitting MLAs. However, Tuesday will tell where they stand. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.